Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to mathematics class of standard 3. This is the part 3 video of the chapter numbers. Let's move on to the session and get to know what you will be learning in this session. In this session you will be learning about complete the numerical table, write the missed one, and we will be solving the exercise problem. Before moving on to today's session, let us get a recap of the previous session video. So in previous session, what all you have learned? How to count the number and write the missing numbers in the numerical table. And also you have got to know what is meant by a century. So century means 100. Now let's move on to the session and get to know more about how to fill the numbers that are missing in the numerical table, which are in the zigzag manner. So in table they would have been given few numbers and they would have asked us to fill the missing numerals. Take page number 24 in your mathematics textbook. They would have given a heading like this: right from 300 to 399 in order in the following numerical table. See here, they would have filled few numerals in the table and they have asked us to fill the missing numbers in a order. In order means you are going to write one after the other so that you will be completing up to 399. In the same format only you are going to solve the numerical table in page number 25. Now let's start writing the numbers in a order. 300, 301, 302, 303, 304, 305, 306, 307, 308, 309 is given, 310 is given. Then what is the next number? 311, 312, 313, 314, 315, 316, 317 they have given. So what is the next number, students? 318, 319 they have given. The next number is 320, 321, 322, 323, 324, 325, 326, 327. They have given 328. So what is the next number of 328? 329, 330 they have given. The next number is 331, 332, 333, 334, 335. They have given 336. So what is the next number of 336? 337, 338, 339 and 340 they have given. So what is the next number of 340? 341, 342, 343, 344, 345, 346, 347, 348, 349, 350. They have given 351. So the next number is 352, 353, 354, 355 they have given. Then the next number is 356, 357, 358, 359. So 360 they have given. The next number of 360 is 361, 362, 363, 364, 365, 366, 367, 368, 369. So what is the next number of 369? 370, 371, 372 is already given. The next number of 372 is 373, 374, 375, 376, 377, 378 already they have given. The next number of 378 is 379. The next number of 379 is 380. They have already given here. So what you have to write is the next number of 380. So the next number of 380 is 381, 382, 383, 384 they have given, 385, 386, 387, 388, 389. So the next number of 389 is 390. Next number of 390 is 391, 392, 393, 394, 395, 396, 397, 398. So now we reached 399. So from where we started, students? We started from 300 to we have completed up to 398. So in this same format only you're going to fill the numerical values in the numerical table which is given in the page number 25. Now let's solve the next numerical table. In previous table almost 15% of number was given, but here only few numbers have given. You have to write the numbers in an order so that you complete up to 699. Shall we start, students, now? Write from 600 to 699 in order in the following numerical table. So from 600 they have given. What you have to do? You have to count and write. So listen carefully, take your pencil and listen what I am teaching. While I am writing, you are also going to write it in your textbook. 600, 601, 602, 603, 604, 605 they have given already. 606, 607, 608, 609, 610, 611, 612, 613, 614, 615. They have given 616. So the next number of 616 is 617, 618, 619, 620, 621, 622, 623. They have given 624. So what is the next number of 624? 625, 626, 627, 628, 629, 630, 631, 632, 633, 634, 635, 636. They have given 637. So what is the next number of 637? So the next number of 637 is 638. After 638, what is the number? 639. 640, 641, 642. They have given 643. So what will be the next number, students? 644, 645, 646, 647, 648, 649. They have given 650. So what will be the next number? 651, 652, 653, 654, 655, 656, 657. They have given 658. So what is the next number? 659, 660, 661, 662. They have given. The next number of 662 is 663, 664, 665, 666, 667, 668, 669. Then the next number of 669 is 670. After 670, they have given 671. So what is the next number of 671? 672, 673, 674, 675, 676, 677, 678. they have given the next number of 678. So what is the next number of 679? 680, 681, 682, 683. The number next to 683 is 684. They have given already in the table. The next number of 684 is 685, 686, 687, 688, 689, 690, 691. The next number of 691 is 692. So they have already given in the table. Then what is the next number of 692? 693, 694, 695, 696, 697, 698, 699. So now we have completed the whole table by writing the missing numerals in the numerical table. In this same format, you are going to write the next numerical tables.